2. The Honorable Minister of Railways, Shri Ashwini Vaishnav Ji, Government of India, Rail Bhavan, New Delhi. Subject: Appreciation for vegetarian Vande Bharat train or urgent need for comprehensive railway reforms. Respected Sir, at the outset, I extend my sincere appreciation for the introduction of India's first fully vegetarian train, the Delhi-Katra Vande Bharat Express, which prohibits meat and eggs in its menu. This is indeed a commendable initiative, promoting vegetarianism and aligning with the cultural and spiritual sentiments of millions of passengers. I urge you to consider extending this policy to all trains across India. However, while new trains and innovative services are being introduced, it is equally critical to address the long-standing issues plaguing Indian Railways, particularly hygiene and maintenance. It is concerning that, first, railway kitchens are unhygienic, often infested with cockroaches and lacking proper cleanliness, raising serious health risks for passengers. Second, train toilets remain in deplorable condition, with poor sanitation, foul odors, and lack of proper cleaning, making travel highly inconvenient. Third, linen, blankets, and pillows provided on trains are rarely sanitized, leading to potential health hazards due to accumulated germs and bacteria. Fourth, many old trains continue to run despite their deteriorating condition, requiring urgent upgrades or complete scrapping. The focus should not just be on launching new services but also modernizing existing trains to match the standards of newly introduced ones. Fifth, railway stations and coaches lack sufficient clean drinking water facilities, making it difficult for passengers to rely on hygienic sources. Sir, while introducing new trains is a step forward, ensuring the basic safety, hygiene, and comfort of passengers must be the topmost priority. Instead of relying on poorly maintained railway kitchens, an alternative approach can be considered where passengers are encouraged to bring their own food, ensuring better hygiene. I request your esteemed ministry to take immediate and concrete steps to conduct regular inspections of railway kitchens, linen, and sanitation facilities and add penalty clause to contractor or staff appointed for it. Introduce modernized cleaning mechanisms to improve hygiene in toilets and overall train maintenance. Upgrade or phase out outdated trains that are no longer fit for comfortable and safe travel. Improve station amenities, drinking water access, and sanitation services across railway networks, not only for 538 railway stations. The Indian Railways is a lifeline for millions of citizens, and it is imperative that its services reflect cleanliness, efficiency, and passenger-centric governance. I look forward to your prompt action on these issues and a continued commitment to improving our railways. With best regards, Girish Jayantilal Shah, Member, Animal Welfare Board of India. Managing Trustee, Samast Mahajan, Mobile 9820020976.